welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ambika and I am back again with another video. So in my previous video you guys must have seen that I mentioned that I'm going on a birthday trip. Yes, I'm super excited. I haven't revealed where I'm going, but it's a place here in US only and I'm super excited for it. So I'm just buying a lot of stuff lately for my trip, and I got this crazy makeup travel bag and I found it on Amazon and it was just so beautiful. I have to share with you all. So this video is going to be packed with me my most important bag, which is my skincare and makeup essential bag. So yes, I'm super excited, and this is that bag. I'm gonna hang it here and I'll show you everything. So we are going to pack this bag. I have already opened the seal. So अभी तक तो आप लोगों को पता चल ही गया होगा कि मैं कोई भी अनबॉक्सिंग आप लोग के सामने नहीं कर पाती हूँ. मैं हमेशा पहले से उसको ओपन कर लेती हूँ, बट इट्स ओके. लाइक मुझसे वो एक्साइटमेंट रखी नहीं जाती अपने पास. या मैंने बट अभी तक इसमें मैंने कुछ भी ऐसा पैकिंग एंड स्टफ नहीं करा है. सो दैट आई डू टुडे एंड आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड, एंड दिस इज such a beautiful travel skincare and makeup bag that I've ever seen. So I can't wait to show you all, and let's do the packing of my travel and skincare makeup bag for my upcoming trip. So that's the bag. It's in pink color. You guys can see it looks more like a laptop bag, but it's actually a perfect travel skincare and makeup bag. I got this from Amazon. There were a couple of other options also in like a similar form with different colors, and I wanted to get something in pink color because I don't know, lately I'm just in my pink era zone, so I just wanted to buy a pink bag. So it is something like this. Let me just show you. So it has these handles, so I can just carry it like this also, and this has a front pocket, a front chain, which is something like this. The size of this bag is a little big, I know, but because I carry a lot of skincare and makeup stuff and I travel a lot, so that's why. And also I travel for like long durations, like I'm here in US for like 6 months, so I just wanted to buy something that can fit all my makeup and skincare things in like one bag, and I don't have to segregate it in different pouches. So yeah, so this is the first chain where I can add all my makeup brushes, and then there is another chain here where I can put other makeup stuff. Now let's open the middle chain. Yeah, this is how it looks from the middle, and it has 4 compartments, if you guys can see, and सब में चेन लगी हुई है, and ये different चीज़ों के लिए है, and also it has a hook which is very strong and sturdy. So अगर मैं कहीं पे भी होटल में travel कर रही हूँ, so I can just simply hang it here and I can put all my stuff in it, which is the best thing, guys. So let's organize this, and मैंने अपना सारा सामान यहाँ पे निकाल के already रखा हुआ है. So yeah, let's start putting the stuff inside it, and first I think I need to decide what I have to keep where. Let's start with makeup first, and then we will put the skincare, because I exactly know where I need to put all my brushes and stuff. So let's begin. I need to decide where I need to keep my skincare and where I need to keep my makeup. So okay, let's just start with the makeup first and then we put the skincare. So I'm using the second chain for that. It has extra divider sort of thing, if you guys can see. It has extra 2 dividers here. So let's start with the moisturizer. I'm putting this Embryolisse moisturizer, which is my favorite. So I'm going to take 2 foundation. One is this MAC foundation and the other one is Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter Foundation. This one is a mini, but this is a full size bottle, but it's just so small that it looks like a mini only. So that's totally fine. Why I'm taking 2 foundation is because this one is more like a skin tint sort of, and it gives a perfect nice finish, and this one is for like more coverage, and I'm just keeping it for the safer side. So I have 2 foundations here. Then I have my setting spray, and I use it for my base also. This one is also from Charlotte Tilbury. I'll be taking this Then I'm taking my concealer and color corrector. 3 of them are from Huda Beauty. And oops, I forgot one thing. ये ना बहुत ज़्यादा leak करते हैं. So let me just put them in like a transparent pouch. मुझे Huda Beauty के concealer और color corrector में सबसे ज़्यादा डिफेक्ट यही लगता है कि ये सारे बैग्स को खराब कर देते हैं क्योंकि इनका ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा लीक करते हैं. So I'm taking this transparent polythene which I usually use for keeping my color corrector and concealer only. ताकि जो भी लीक करे प्रोडक्ट को इसके अंदर ही लीक करे. I'm gonna zip this up and I'll keep it here. So I'm taking 2 primers. This one is from K Beauty. This is their illuminating primer drops. This is perfect for those days when it's too dry, because I'm going to a place where I will have a lot of sweat and there will be I might have like a dry skin, so that's why I'm taking this one. And this is my absolute favorite. This is e.l.f.'s Poreless Putty Primer, so I'm taking both of these. I'm an extra girly, to be very honest. I take a lot of extra stuff, so sorry about that. Then I'm taking this Hawaii sunscreen. It's actually like a powder sunscreen that I can use for reapplications. It's actually like a brush and it has the sunscreen powder, so I can just simply put it on my skin post makeup. So I'm taking this. Then I am taking my compact, which is from Charlotte Tilbury. This is my favorite compact. And I'm also taking a loose powder. This is Laura Mercier loose powder. And this is translucent honey. So I'm taking both of these. I think I can just add this stuff inside it and I'll put other stuff दूसरे जेब में. So let's close this. I can actually fit more stuff here, but I just wanted to organize it in a proper format. I just kept all my base wala thing here, and then I'm just planning to put my skincare here or like here. I don't have like a lot of skincare, so let's just see where I'm gonna put. Now let's put my lipsticks and stuff, my lipsticks, eyeliners and all. So basically the second one is for putting the lipsticks and stuff, because this has the elastic where I can just place it nicely. But I'm just planning to put my skincare here. So let's just put all of this here. So let's start with blush and lipsticks. So I'm taking 3 blushes. 2 of them are from Rare Beauty and this is from K Beauty, my absolute favorite Cozy Coral, and these are the new one that I purchased from Rare Beauty. They are also absolutely stunning, so let's just put them here. Then I'm taking 2 highlighters. One is from Rare Beauty. This one is their liquid luminizer and this one is from Smashbox. This is just like a simple highlighter. So let's put this also. And now let's add the lipsticks. So I'm taking so many lipsticks and let's start with the lip oil. I'm taking this lip oil from Gishu. Then I'm taking 2 of my favorite glosses. First is from Fenty Beauty, Rera, and the other one is from Sephora. Then I'm taking few lipsticks. One is Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury. Then I'm taking 2 other brown shades. They are also my absolute favorite currently. First is this, which is from e.l.f. Then I'm also taking a L'Oreal one, which is slightly a darker version of the e.l.f. lipstick. So I'm taking these 2. I'm definitely a brown lipstick girly, so I'm taking both of these. Then I'm taking 2 mini lipsticks, which is from Rene. One is slightly pink in shade and the other one is again a brown shade. Then I'm taking 4 lip liners and 2 are from Swiss Beauty and one is a Maybelline brown eyebrow pencil which I use as a lip liner and it is absolutely perfect. Then I'm taking 1 mini Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk pencil. So yeah, I have 3 of them and it's all done. Let's just wind this up. Now it's time to put things like my eye makeup and all. So I don't know if you guys can see it or not, so I'll just place it like here, like this, so that you guys can see. So I'm taking 2 mascaras. Then I'm taking 3 things for my eyebrows. Let me show you guys. One is this e.l.f. ka wax that I use for giving structure to my eyebrows. Then I'm taking a mascara. You guys must have seen me using it as, for filling my mascara it's such a good hack. Like आप इतना जल्दी अपना eyebrow set कर सकते हो mascara से, but you just need to find a perfect mascara that has like a small wand, not like a big wand. जो नीचे का brush होता है wand का, वो बड़ा नहीं होना चाहिए. That should be small enough ताकि आप अपने eyebrows को set कर सको. This one is from Sugar Pop, so if you live in India, you can buy this for your eyebrows. It's perfect. Then I'm taking my Benefit का eyebrow precise pencil. This is also a stunning eyebrow pencil. Then I'm taking stuff for my eye makeup, that is eyeliner. So I'm taking a liquid eyeliner and I am taking a eyeliner sketch, and I'm also taking two kajals. One is black and the other one is white, and both of them are from ELF. Then for eye makeup, I'm taking this tape for eye makeup, and I'm taking 3 of my palettes which are like so small, and this is Charmacy Milano Insane Eye Shifter. It's just perfect for travel. Then I'm taking my small eyeshadow palette which is from ELF. The colors here are very light and it is perfect for smoky eyes. And then I'm also taking my Nykaa ka eyeshadow palette, which is also like mini palette. 3 of them are absolutely mini. The shade looks similar to the ELF one, but that's not true. They are pretty dark and these are light. It just has this one black shade which is dark. Others are super light, but this has good glitters and also like perfect for base and stuff. So that's why I'm taking 3 of this. Now let's close this. So this is also done. This has all my eye makeup ka stuff. This has my blush and all the lipsticks. This has my Sara base ka saman, like my foundation and stuff. And now I put the skincare in the last one, this compartment that I'll be using for my skincare. But before that, let's finish the whole makeup wala cheese. So let's turn this, and I have this portion where I put other stuff. So this has compartments where I can put my brushes and other stuff. So let's put stuff here and here. Let's start with the brushes and sponges that I'm going to put here. So this is my makeup brush ka bag, and let's see what makeup brushes I'll be needing. I'll be taking only 4 or 5 brushes that are important for me, that I require. Let's see, I'll be taking one brush for highlighter, then one powder brush, definitely. Then I'll be taking few brushes for eye makeup and general thing. So let's take small 2-3 brushes. I think that's it. These are enough. So I'm taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I'll just take one more small brush. Yeah, I think that's perfect. So I'm taking these brushes, one for my highlighter, one for brushing off the powder. Then I have 5 brushes. These are small brushes that I'll be using for my eye makeup. So I think that's pretty much that I need. So let's put them here. This is such a perfect pouch for all the makeup and stuff. Like you can easily segregate and like keep everything nicely. So that's it. I've added my makeup brushes here, and I have this other compartment in my makeup brush where I have my sponge and all. So I'm taking one powder sponge, one this for my foundation, and basically I can take 2 so that I don't have to wash it, and then one for under eye and a bigger one for powder. So yeah, that's it. That's all that I'm going to take. So I've added all my sponges here because I think यहाँ पे अगर मैं रखूँगी तो वो गिर जाएंगे. Then I have this box that has my hair clips for makeup. Let me show you guys the prettiest hair clips that I have. This is so cute. This has this blue and peach one, and then I also have added some earbuds and mini tips for eye makeup. So this is this one box that I'm going to keep here. Then I'm taking my fan for makeup. It is just so important and also perfect for trips when there is hot or like I need to have that fan thing, so that's why I'm keeping this. I got this from India from Amazon, so I'll mention the link down below. You guys can check that out. I'm putting this here. I think I've just got the best area for this. I'm also taking my eye lenses. I have this cute lens cover and 2 pairs of lenses along with my lens cleaner. So I'm gonna put this here. Let's put the lens cleaner here with my fan. Let's add my perfumes here. So I'm taking 3 of these mini perfumes. One is my YSL perfume and the other one is also a YSL Black Opium perfume, and one Itr that I got from Dubai. A friend gifted me basically. This is Safina and it is just absolutely perfect and my favorite. Itr क्योंकि परफ्यूम की स्मेल जल्दी चली जाती है बट इत्र की नहीं जाती है, सो दैट्स व्हाई इत्र इज परफेक्ट फॉर ट्रिप्स जहाँ पे आपको एडवेंचर में जाना हो. सो आई हैव केप्ट माय परफ्यूम्स आल्सो हियर. आई थिंक वी हैव पैक्ड दिस परफेक्टली. आई कैन क्लोज दिस एंड नाउ इट्स टाइम टू पुट माय स्किन केयर. So let's turn this around. So we'll start with the skincare stuff. उसके process and order में. So I'm taking micellar water and I'm also taking this Holy Hydration Makeup Cleanser Balm from ELF. So I'm taking both of these क्योंकि balm से you can melt down all the makeup, but micellar water really helps. अगर आपका कोई भी waterproof mascara and all है तो वो उसको बहुत easily हटा देता है. Then I'm taking the cleanser. This is from Believe. Then I'm taking the toner. This one is from Claire and all these things are minis, so it's easy and I can easily, carry it with me. Then I'm taking 2 of my favorite serum. One is this Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. This is also a mini of that. Then I'm taking L'Oreal ka Hyaluronic Acid. Both of them are my favorite. I am taking a mask. This one is from Medicube. I'm taking it because I am going on a trip that will have adventures, and when I'm coming home I just want to relax and I want to put this night mask so that next day I can have a fresh skin क्योंकि sweat की वजह से skin बहुत खराब हो जाती है कई बार. So that's why I'm taking this mask with me. And by the way guys, all these products are below 100 ml, so I can easily carry this bag with my carry-on. And then I'm also taking this Sol de Janeiro cream. This is Beija Flor and it is stunning. Then I'm taking a mask again. This is from Claire and this is also such a good mask. It's also a mini, so I can easily carry it in my bag and I can use it, before my bath. So that's this. And then I'm taking an acne spot cream because अगर कोई acne हो जाते हैं जो कि मेरे अभी currently हो चुके हैं मेरे forehead पे, so that's why I'm taking this acne spot cream. इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा बचा भी नहीं है, so I'm gonna use it and throw it anyway. So this. Then of course I have my toothpaste and toothbrush. This one is from Colgate and this I bought from Amazon from India itself, and it's just so perfect. It closes like this and it's easy to keep. Then I'm taking Vaseline. Of course, उसके बिना तो रह ही नहीं सकते. And then I'm taking my sunscreen spray. This one is from 52 Sundays and it is my favorite sunscreen spray. It is so good and it has this slightly rosy smell. आप लोग ने मेरे sunscreen के वीडियो में देखा होगा how much I love this. Then I'm taking few stuff for my hair. So these are things that I'm taking for my hair. So I'm taking 2 scrunchies and I am taking this Live On hair serum and this L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary oil and my big cute little comb. So I'm gonna put this here. And I'm also taking one mirror. This my papa got from Japan, so this is so pretty and also very special for me. This is so pretty mirror and look at this. This is so cute. And you know what guys, this is actually gold plated mirror, which is super nice, and it has this cute little girl. I love it. I always keep this with me in all my makeup pouches and bags. I think I'm gonna keep this here with my lipsticks. That would be better. And yeah, that's pretty much of it. I'm also taking one nail paint that I'm currently wearing, and right now I'm obsessed with the red nail paint, so I'm taking this only. Let me just fix the structure of this because I don't think I have added stuff in a right way. So yeah, it's all done. I have organized it. मैंने थोड़ा बहुत shuffle करा है दो चीज़ों को. Like I've added my nail paint here and my scrunchies here, and then I've just organized it also properly. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that I'm taking for my trip. I can easily close this up. Let me just show you guys. That's it. It's pretty easy and it's quite a big bag, I know, but it has everything and it is perfect for organizing. You always get all of these, holders in almost all the hotels, so it's just perfect to, keep all your stuff organized, and you can simply keep it like this. One thing that I have recently learned living in hotel, I've been living in hotel from past 6 months. If you're organizing your makeup in your washroom and if you're taking hot water shower, usually it creates a lot of moisture on your products. So I think for that it is just perfect because it has all these compartments that you can easily close, and it is also secured with the polythene thing, so it will make sure कि moisture आपके products तक ना जाए, and that will increase the durability of your products as well. So yeah, that's why I love this bag and I'm going to use it a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming with more fashion, styling, food, travel and so many other videos. So stay tuned. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Love you guys. Bye bye.